Imagine this: glaciers collapsing, forests burning, oceans rising. The world isn't ending centuries from now, but it's ending right before our eyes. The ice that has stood for thousands of years is vanishing. Rainforests are turning into ashes. Floodwaters are washing away homes, dreams, and lives. This isn't a distant threat. It's happening right now. All over the globe, extreme weather events are breaking records. Just last year, heat waves reached their highest temperatures ever recorded. Glaciers in the Himalayas are melting faster than ever, and even the Sahara Desert has seen rainfall, an event that was once unimaginable. The oceans, which absorb most of the Earth's heat, are warming rapidly, leading to rising sea levels and destroying marine ecosystems. Coral bleaching is pushing fish populations to collapse, leaving billions of people who rely on these oceans without resources. On land, soil is losing its quality due to pollution and pesticides. This makes crops less nutritious and harder to grow. Floods, droughts, and natural disasters are becoming more frequent. Over 80% of the world's population, especially in Africa and Asia, is at risk. And what about wildlife? The numbers are devastating. According to the WWF, 73% of wildlife populations have vanished in just the past 50 years. We're losing dolphins, birds, and countless other species at an alarming rate. These aren't just numbers. These are signs of an Earth under attack. But why is all this happening? The answer is us, humans. For decades, we've burned coal, oil, and gas, releasing harmful greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. These gases trap heat, creating a greenhouse effect that's making the planet warmer. We've cut down billions of trees for farming, cities, and industries, leaving fewer forests to absorb this carbon dioxide. And then there's our waste. Plastic choking our oceans, billions of tons of food discarded, and our constant overconsumption of resources. Every year, the damage grows worse. If we don't act now, the future will be catastrophic. Glaciers will disappear, and we'll depend solely on rain for water. But with climate change, rain will fall less when it's needed and more when it's not. Farming will become a nightmare, with floods destroying crops and droughts leaving the land barren. Temperatures will soar beyond human survival limits. Crops will stop growing. Photosynthesis, the process that feeds all life, will cease to function above 36 degrees Celsius. Imagine a world with no food, no water, and no hope. People will be forced to migrate, seeking cooler places like Europe and the global north, leading to wars over resources. And when the Arctic permafrost melts, it will release methane trapped for millions of years, escalating the greenhouse effect to an unstoppable level. This is called runaway climate change, where no amount of effort can reverse the damage. But it's not too late. Together, we can stop this disaster if we act now. Governments need to shift to renewable energy sources like solar and wind. We must protect forests, plant new trees, and create sustainable farming practices. And as individuals, we all have a role to play. Use less electricity, recycle and avoid waste. Eat more plant-based meals or choose sustainable food options. Support leaders and policies that prioritize the environment. Small changes made by millions of people can lead to big impacts. We still have a chance to rewrite the future, but it starts with you. Share this video with everyone you know. Let's wake up the world before it's too late. Together, we can create a movement to protect our planet for future generations. Like, subscribe, and most importantly, act. The Earth is counting on us.